This is a great one. I love when he does this. Wow, this is funny. Oh, wow. Turns into a Rottweiler in like a couple minutes. He's like, this is one way of talking. So funny though. You should have dressed him up as like Batman or something for Halloween, or some sort of creature or something. Something like a monster or something. Bro, don't bring him over here, please. You're gonna do it to me.
Oh, so you want me to do it to me?
Yeah. I love it.
Hey, Papa.
He's wiggling his tail, so he must be happy. You know?
Yeah. He's wanting you to scratch his back, that's what it is.
Just don't touch him on the side. I think that's what triggers it.
Yeah.
Top is good. The sides don't. You don't like it on the head though.
So I'm gonna take a break. I got an eye itch. I gotta itch my eye. Okay, now back to business. Hey, special. For you. Special.
Yeah, she's about as insane as you are. Be nice, Bubba.
Doesn't like when I get up.
Bubba, come here.
Be quiet. Be quiet.
There ain't nobody bothering you. There ain't nobody bothering you.
Bubba, I've got to go take me a shower. Are you going to behave?
No,
I'll take him in the bathroom with me.
I can tell you that now.
You going to behave? You're going to get put on YouTube. We gotta capture you when you're scratching your back.
Yeah, that's a funny one. Oh, that's gonna be a good one.
Hey, special. Hey, Papa.
Crashy old bastard. Bobby, you're fine.
So cute.
And my son-in-law, he'll chase him from room to room until he bites him.
Really?
Oh yeah.
So
He
cute.
hates him.
So cute.
His bites must hurt, right?
Yeah.
You're so cute. Papa.
Take him home with you.
Something like that.
Rayma, he'll bite you. He about bit you.
Probably heard the dog in the
Oh,
morning.
no, let me grab him though. No need for him to pick up out the door.